Well, happy hump day, East Texas. We're going to call it from summer to, yes, the fall chill out there, because we're going to be looking at temperatures well above normal again today. We're talking about high temperatures. I put 84, and we may get higher than that as we go throughout the day. Keep in mind the average high is 65, so we're talking about 20 degrees warmer than average for us today. Heading into your Thursday, we're going to stay quite warm with temperatures climbing near 80 degrees, but we do have some significant changes underway, and that will arrive as we head towards your Friday. Cold front, a strong cold front, makes its way into the area, bringing us a chance of scattered showers and storms. And behind that front, yes, a nice blast of cool air making its way into the region. In fact, these high temperatures will struggle to return to near 60 in some spots over the weekend, with overnight lows, yes, well down into the 30s. Outside, cobalt blue skies, just a beautiful afternoon underway with a breeze coming in out of the south. That south wind is also bumping our temperatures up. We're now up to 78 degrees as you head out for your lunch break this afternoon. Dew point around 50 degrees as well. Feels like it's 79. Temperatures area-wide all climbing into the upper 70s to near 80. 75 in Athens, 80 degrees in Longview, 80 Henderson, 74 Lufkin, and 77 in Marshall. So these temperatures are going to be well above normal as we progress throughout your day. In fact, we'll call it sunshine full all day today, with temperatures again back up into the low to mid 80s for afternoon highs. And then as we lose the sun, the temperatures will start to fall fairly quickly. So notice by 10, 11 o'clock, we're already down into the 60s because we've got a lot of dry air in place. That's associated with this big ridge of high pressure, basically centering itself now over the Lone Star State, giving us the clear skies, sinking air. But our next storm system already taking shape now across the Pacific Northwest. Now heavy rainfall along the west coast and mountain snow inland, and this is going to be a big storm. In fact, we've already got winter weather alerts taking place now. Winter storm warnings across portions of Wyoming down through Utah. Look at that, winter storm watches even into portions of western Colorado, stretching up towards Nebraska and over towards South Dakota. And yes, that's a blizzard watch, the first of the season, showing up there in portions of Minnesota. Here's why. You're expecting lots of snowfall to take place with this storm system there. 6 to 12 inches or higher across portions of the mountains in Wyoming and Montana. About 3 to 6 inches possible along the portions of the Rockies. And then you head up into the Minnesota, eastern portions of South Dakota. Yeah, they're talking about potential of 4 to 8 inches of snow, plus strong winds gusting over 40 miles per hour. That will lead to blowing snow and blizzard conditions there. But for us, we're not seeing that yet. We're talking about high pressure overhead for us this afternoon. That means highs climbing into the mid 80s across the region. Now this high pressure slides to our east as we go into our Thursday. That'll give us a southwesterly wind as we're between low pressure and high pressure. That means breezy conditions as highs climb to near 80 degrees with sunshine. But here comes our strong cold front. It arrives heading to about midday on Friday, I think will be the timing. A good chance of some scattered showers and storms. And then behind that front, say hello to old man winter. In fact, Jack Frost may be nipping at some of our noses as we head towards Sunday morning, as we're looking at temperatures in the 30s widespread all across East Texas. A little frosty. Now, I know the tropical season doesn't officially end until November the 30th, and believe it or not, we're tracking a system that has an 80% chance of development over the next several days here in the southwestern portions of the Caribbean Sea there, and it will drift off to the north and northeast. We've got to watch this closely. This could become auto. Right now, it doesn't look like it's going to affect the United States, but of course, we'll keep a very close eye on that. Your first alert 7-day forecast, there you see it, 84 at least for this afternoon. Then we're at 80 degrees on your Thursday, breezy with a few more clouds. A few scattered storms with that front on Friday. Then, it's going to get cool down into the 30s Sunday morning.
Better be ready.
Yes, boots weather for you.
Absolutely. Thanks so much, Cedric.